Hello guys, it's me, KillerGirl3033, and today we are playing Don't Touch the Buttons 4. It's kind of like other Roblox to say don't touch a button, but it has a lot of stuff like the obbies that I had to do or something bad would happen. Why is it saying you? Oh, oh, we had to go to the bridge. Freaking key. Oh, don't die, don't die. I had to get to the other side before it's too. Oh, I got in, I got it out. You never mess with me. Me. We survive. We survive. Okay. Wait. Ooh, coins. I want coins. Get ready. What do you mean get ready? We had to shoot people. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. Oh my god. This is so unfair. You didn't let me play with that. Oh my god. I hope the killer just killed you like you did. I was thinking about Tornado Alley, but it's only for PC, so I can't play that game. I can play Ragdoll Royale, but it's PC as well, and I don't have time for that. Oh my god. Why does this kill me so much? This is so stupid. It is stupid because I can't do it. I can't play Among Us because it's long. I can't do 2 rounds or that or anything. Find a hole. This one's easy. This one's easy as heck. Oh, you all died. It's like hole in the wall. It's like that show when you had to get in the hole in the wall. Is that from Cartoon Network? I think that's the show. I think. Watch out. What do you mean? Oh! What do you mean, watch out? So that's what it is. You have to be careful. What do you mean, be careful? I'm fine. I'm scared. I'm scared something will happen. I don't want to die. Okay, I'm safe. Come on, you can get there. There, safe. Come on, get there. Get there. Okay, everyone's safe. Okay, good. Ah! Are you lucky or not? I am lucky. I got the teddy bear. Oh, I got lucky. I got the teddy bear. Get into the water. Where's the water? I bet there's no sharks over here. That would be insane. Because if there are epic main game sharks right under us, I will never have anything to do because I am not good at all. You guys have big brains. I don't. Because I died. Oh my god. This one's lucky. Nope. Not lucky at all. This one doesn't lucky at all. Oh, freaking no. A giant volcano. Watch out. Oh. Just run. No! Don't get killed. Oh my god. Why? Well, I am unstoppable. Wonder how many batteries I got. Just 97, okay. Oh, this one's easy. This one's easy as heck. More like the towers of heck. Not like the towers of 8. I don't want to say a bad word in front of my subscribers because if I say that, it would be insane. Okay? Watch out for snowballs. What do you mean snowballs? Oh, that's snowballs. Oh. Okay. Hee. I'm good at everything. You can't stop me. Losers. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, oh my god, I swear! No! This is gonna be messed up! Oh, this is gonna be fine now, I swear! I didn't mean to say that. Anyways, the time I won't swear. This time I won't swear. Because if I swear, they'll probably leave my YouTube channel. No, I freaking. I almost there. No! No! Aileen. I thought it was something else. And I die from it getting abducted by aliens. This is a vacation. Hope the sharks won't get him. No, this is actually a good idea. It's like, what's the worst thing that happened? I don't want to get killed by sharks because it's scarier as a heck. I mean, if there's sharks, over here, then it will be insane because if they find out, I'm gonna leave the server if there's an epic minigame shark here, or a Shake Evolution shark, which has a big mouth and open. I don't have any big brains. What the heck? Okay, I think 2 more rounds of buttons. That's it. Again? Oh my god. I'm gonna drink some milk. Finally, I dug me. Torture me like you like slaves. You torture slaves. You torture human like slaves. Okay. One more button. This again. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's a video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you subscribe. Bye.